Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make omelet quick. Start by gathering 3 eggs, salt, pepper, and a splash of milk or water, then preheat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Prep fillings like cheese, herbs, and diced vegetables before you crack the eggs. Whisk until slightly frothy, heat a little butter, then pour and tilt the pan to spread the eggs evenly for a fast, fluffy result. Gather what you need: 3 eggs, a splash of milk or water, salt, pepper, and your favorite fillings like cheese and herbs. Use an 8 to 10 inch nonstick pan and a flexible spatula for easy folding. Chop fillings small so they heat fast, and pat vegetables dry to avoid soggy omelets. Preheat the pan over medium, melt a small knob of butter, and you're ready to cook quickly and confidently. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing quick kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep your omelets snug and mess-free, perfect for mornings on the go. I love how they stack and seal, and they save time cleaning. Check the description for the link and more deals. Now let's get back to the video. Whisk eggs until slightly frothy to trap air and speed fluffiness. Heat the pan to medium and melt butter just until foaming. Pour the eggs and tilt the pan to create an even layer. When edges set but the center remains slightly soft, add fillings and fold once or twice for a neat pocket. Cook another 20 to 30 seconds to finish, then slide onto a plate and serve immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.